Hello. This presentation will explain more about applications we are researching and potential partners we are looking for. Our core business is electronics hardware design, and we focus on two directions. First, to develop new applications for our core technology, and second, to serve existing satellite laser ranging market with our event timers. Last few years, we have devoted to search for new applications that could possibly integrate our existing event timing technology or could benefit from our expertise in high-precision signal processing and event timing electronics to develop new products or add some unique features to existing ones. So far, our research has highlighted several potential applications which will be explained further. Gravimetry. Absolute free-fall gravimeters are based on laser interferometers. The gravity value is calculated from the numbers of the optical fringes appeared at the photomultiplier output and distances between these fringes. Event timers can provide counting of these fringes and timing with much higher precision than other known time analyzers. LiDARs. Using event timers for time-of-flight measurements in airborne or space LiDAR systems and 3D terrestrial scanners or rangefinders may essentially increase the system's performance. Usually, scanning period must be greater than time of flight of the emitted and returned light pulses. In case of event timer, narrow light pulses can be used and intervals defining the time of flight may be overlapped. The measurement of the overlapping intervals and effective algorithm to control the light pulse emission and narrow gates for return pulse detection allows the object ranging with very high measurement rate and accuracy. Underwater optical communications. In the last years, underwater optical communication shows good results and efficiency. The main problem in light transmission in water is light dissipation, but for short distances up to tens of meters, it can provide very high data rate. High measurement and data processing rate is required here. This can be achieved by implementation of timing and processing functions in one chip. We have the expertise in analog signal conversion into pulse sequence and the reconstruction of the initial signal after timing of these pulses. Time synchronization and time transfer. Event timers have been already used in China for international experiments related to time transfer by laser link. Precise time registration of electrical pulses arriving through cables or light pulses through optical channels, allowing us to synchronize and superpose timescales in remote systems. This time superposition is necessary and distributed data processing in extensive physical environments such as the Large Ion Collider, for example. Time-of-flight mass spectrometry. Higher precision of time-of-flight measurements will result in higher resolution of mass spectrometer. With higher precision, the mass spectrometer will be able to distinguish between a greater number of components in analyzed samples, and higher performance will make this analyzing faster. Positron emission tomography. It creates a 3D image of diagnosed human body part. As research shows, the additional time registration of the emitted photons increase the resolution of positron emission tomograph several times and reduce the time of exposure to the patient at the complex radiobiological studies. Flow cytometry. Different duration of the afterglow for different ions in liquids allows to distinguish and count these ions in a moving stream. It is used, for example, for the bloodstream analysis in medical diagnostics or liquid analysis in chemical or drug manufacturing. Signal processing electronics play a significant role in flow cytometer performance characteristics. Nuclear electronics. One of the main sources of studied and analyzed information in the nuclear experiments is a photon time registration during processes in colliders and other nuclear accelerators. There is a great number of photomultipliers and multi-channel event timers are mandatory devices in these experiments. Essential role of the event timer is also in timescale synchronization for all measurement nodes along the physical environment. Deep space optical communications. Optical communication provides the most secure and fast data exchange between satellites. Our experiments in transmission of analog signal as a sequence of light pulses and signal reconstruction by means of event timing show the efficiency of such approach. Event timer picosecond precision allows coding more than 10 bits of data in one pulse time position. And finally, we believe there are more applications to research. Eventech is looking for partners from industry or academia with relevant expertise in the mentioned domains, or with new application ideas who would be willing to partner with us for new application and product development. Eventech, an Institute of Electronics and Computer Science, offers extensive expertise, custom design and engineering services in high-precision event timing and signal processing electronic domains, or can serve as R&D service provider for OEM product development or improvements based on event timing technology. We are ready to cooperate with industry and academia for joint projects related with event timers. We are looking to hear your comments, ideas and proposals.